Biyabiyahe muna ang Disney Princess. Ako lang po yung mabigat, hindi po yung dala ko. Tara guys, samahan nyo kami. Buhay OFW. $11.55. Wala pa yata. CX. Wala pang Philippine Airlines. So guys, ganito po ang buhay ng OFW. Kung sobra yung kilo mo, bawasan mo. Yan. Sana all, ang itim niya, ang pogi ng jowa niya. Here comes the bride. 5 months inside. Here comes the bride. This is it, pansit.
Galing!
Sa kabila. Ba't kasi humingi?
Pinapunta ko dun sa ano.
Ang lamig. Lamig ah.
Who loosen the strap. To loosen, fill to buckle and pull. To unfasten, lift buckle to buckle, and pull free end to release. If you are with an infant, fasten your seatbelt and wrap your arms around your infant's waist. Your life vests are found under your seats or in the middle of your armrest. On a water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Slip vest over your head, take tape around your waist, and push end to buckle. Pull waist tape tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull down sharply the inflation cords at the lower end. If life vest fails to inflate, blow into mountain tubes. Push inwards to release air. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. The lamp will automatically activate when the battery bursts in water. In the unlikely event that emergency oxygen is required, oxygen masks will drop from above you. Remove your face coverings and immediately grab the mask and pull firmly towards you. Move over your nose and mouth, pull the elastic band for a snug fit, and breathe normally. Keep mask on until you're advised to remove it. If a child or other passengers need you need assistance, put your mask on first before assisting them. The emergency exits are clearly marked throughout the cabin. Locate the exits nearest you. These exits may be behind you. Fire extinguishers are positioned around the aircraft, and instructions on how to use them are seen on the fire extinguisher bottles. In case of power loss or smoke in the cabin, emergency lights and path markings will be visible to these exits during an evacuation. For further information, please study the safety card found in the seat pocket in front of you. In preparation for takeoff, ensure you're bound for Manila. We're happy to share that your 2 days of free mobile internet will be ready for you once we arrive. Thanks to Philippine Airlines partnership with Colep app, you can stay connected and skip those roaming charges. Once you have the Colep app, just sign in and enter the promo code FLYPOP.
Anong island kaya yan, no? Parang may hiking area.
Wow. Nice! Anong island ko sa atin?
Be?
Anong island?
Mataas pa tayo.
Anong highway ba dyan?
Eh?
I see. Anong highway?
Yung
Mas ano mo, stop mo, Pasay.
Pasay, oo. Malapit sa may palabas ng Sogo ba yun? Hala, nakalimutan ko. Uy, naulan na, oo. Yan ang ulan, oh.
Ulan, oh my God.
Hala, hindi pa naman ako nagdala ng payong ko. Mabigat kasi yung payong ko na dinadala ko pang hike.
Hindi pwede.
Kinikilig ako, promise. Malapit na pero malayo pa ako sa totoo lang.
Malayo pa. Pareho tayo. Ayun, nakikita ko na yung
Eh si ate nga, Ilocos pa yan eh. Tingnan mo, same-same lang din ang biyahe niyan sa'yo. Kagaya ko din.
Isabela.
Oo, Isabela ka din. Bukas pa tayo mabebembang nito, panigurado. O kaya wag naman ka-excited mabimbang, oy. Uy, ang daming nakarelate. Ang daming nakarelate, Diyos ko Lord.
Every year ka naman umuwi.
Guys, tingnan nyo yung mga nandyan, oh. Yan, yung mga kunyang na nag-aantay ng bembang. Ayan, oh. Yan sila.
Sorry.
Mga nag-aantay ng bembang, guys. Thank you, Lord. SM mabuhay. Thank you, Lord. Kinikilig ako. Promise.
Kinikilig sa gastusin.
I don't care about the money.
Mahalaga.
Ang mahalaga is makikita ko sila. Woo! Wala tayo lang bumaina. Woo! Thank you, Lord! Tumatawa tuloy yung bakla. Ingay natin. Thank you, Lord! Hala, ang saya talaga. Kahapon ang bigat ng dibdib ko sa mga nangyayari. Woo! Ang daming nag-aantay ng benta ko hanggang sa likod. Nag-present pa sila. Ala, baka hindi kayo nag-grass cutter ha. Diyos ko Lord. Si ate hindi.
Tagal mo na ma'am, okay na.
Dito po.
Sir, may tagapang mukha mo ma'am.
Okay na po yung pictures ah.
Sa baba, sa baba.
Ah, dito.
Lagyan mo ng passport, lagyan mo ng passport. Ayaw.
Sa harap ba ang kwan? Pinapay-scan o sa likod?
Ayaw na lang.
Place your passport. Ayun oh, yung may pangalan oh. Reading your document.
Pag isinalang nyo yung passport,
Yes.
kapag ganito, hindi makapag.
Yes! Done!
Philippines!